ऑफ व्यू कहते हैं कि आवश्यकता ही आविष्कार की जननी होती है। 2000 सालों पहले जब हम लिखने के लिए तांबे के शीट्स का उपयोग करते थे, उस समय हमको एहसास हुआ कि हमको लिखने के लिए कोई ऐसा चीज़ चाहिए जो कि सस्ता हो प्लस टिकाऊ हो। फिर हमने इजाद किया कागज़ का। विद द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ टाइम and going on, we have used paper as for many applications, but it has a limitations. Limitation for what? It's a mechanical, it's a barrier property. Then after 2000 year, we have invented the polymer, the plastic. It has a better mechanical property, barrier property, but still now we are here. What we are doing? We are unconsciously using the plastics. After using, we are throwing to the nature, which is ultimately creating problem for us. जो चीज़ हमने बनाया वही चीज़ हमको ही प्रॉब्लम दे रही है। You can think, और आज हम फिर से वहीं पे खड़े हैं कि how can we reduce this plastic pollution in the terms of single use plastic. How can we? Because we know if it is not single use, we cannot replace. So in the aspect of food packaging, at least we can reduce 20 to 30% of the packaging material with the paper. So what qualities paper do need to replace the plastic? So it will need barrier property, it will need mechanical property. So we have come with a little effort. I know there is no absolute effort have been made, or I think in coming time also there is no absolute effort or solution will be there which can solve all our problems. But with the collaboration, with the working consistently upon one problem, we can solve these problems. So as many speakers have been talked about everything about paper and packaging, so I'll be going directly to my work, where we have developed a barrier coating material with natural rubber and butyl stearate. So as many have talked about this coating material, which can be developed through the natural polymer like chitosan, cellulose, PHA, PLA and pectins also. Why are we using these coating? Because they are hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means it is a fear. Hydro means water. ठंडी में हमको नहाने का मन नहीं करता है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, भाई पानी से डर लग रहा है, बहुत ठंडा है. तो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ दैट थिंग. व्हेन योर मटेरियल fears with the water, that is called hydrophobic. Our paper is a hydrophilic. He loves water. So when it comes to the contact of water, it will swell. It will disintegrate the material. So how can you contain your product? So this is the major problem we have come with. But if you have seen in the nature, like lotus leaf, someone told earlier, when you put water and a liquid material, you will not see a drop of water on the lotus leaf. So this is called hydrophobicity. But that is the super hydrophobicity, not only hydrophobicity. You will not see a single drop of water on the lotus leaf. But we have not gone that far, because I think in coming year also it is not possible to gain that hydrophobicity in a commercial or in the lab scale level. So we have come with a solution, natural rubber latex, that is extracted from the plant Hevea brasiliensis rubber tree, which is native to Malaysia, Indonesia, but are also grown in India in the southern part. So it is available in India also. So it contains polyisoprene, polyisoprene polymer, which is cloudy in nature, liquid collecting. So after collecting and stabilizing those natural rubber, we have thought this can give the better coating property, but it has a very highly viscous material. So what we did, we have mixed it with the butyl stearate. which is used as a emulsifier, is a thinning agent in many food application, in cosmetics also. So it will, what it will do, it will dilute your natural latex, and it will feasibly it will coating on the paper and paper based material. So at least we can get some of the hydrophobicity for the paper based packaging. So when it comes to the compatibility, so we ask if it is for food application, is it compatible, is it safe for? So according to FDA, the butyl stearate is safe for the food application, even if it is coming to the contact with the food also. So the problem is the same: non-biodegradable, recyclable, harmful. So all these problems we are stating with our solution. So this is the methodology where we have used the natural rubber latex with the help of butyl stearate, and we have coated this on the paper. So the little bit chemistry, where your rubber latex will work with combinedly, like industry and academia. They have worked together to provide it better hydrophobicity with reduced stickiness to the paper. And this is the product we have developed. You can see on the top uncoated paper, and the bottom is a coated paper. You can clearly see the uncoated paper can absorb the water, whereas the coated paper has their droplet. You can see. So you can see how our coating has affected the hydrophobicity of the paper material. So my slide will tell itself and have a demonstration. Okay, sorry, it was not, it was working on my laptop. But wettability, so when it comes to the hydrophobicity, we usually test with the contact angle. When we test for the contact angle, the uncoated paper has shown 0 contact angle, which is like it can absorb fully water, but with the inclusion of natural latex and with the butyl stearate and with the percentage of butyl stearate, it was increasing. So we can say that our product can be helpful to reducing the hydrophilicity or increasing the hydrophobicity, which can be applicable in the food packaging application. These are some digits or data which we have got from our experiment. What I was talking entire presentation, the COV value, which is how much the water absorption capacity have reduced after the coating of the paper with the natural latex and butyl stearate. And this is a comparative study with the previous study and how our product stands in that. So in the concluding remark, we cannot discover or invent one single thing. Even if we can discover one single thing, after some year it will create problem for us because we are not using it consciously. Consciously means if we are using anything, if we are using any product, food product, it contains plastic and we are throwing it. If I am only single person using and throwing it, there are 150 crore people in the India, because we are now top in the population. So every day we will generate 150 crore of plastic. If we can do it, if we can manage it consciously from our person to person, we can reduce it and manage it, and we can collaborate with a different invention and discovery from academia to industry at a general level. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me.